Hi, my name's John, and I'm the head technician with Adonai Appliance Repair. If you're watching this video, more than likely you've had an appliance fail in your home. The scariest thing about a time like this isn't the breakdown, but knowing how to find someone that you can trust to give you a viable diagnostic to understand if that unit is even worth fixing. Well, at Adonai Appliance Repair, we never charge a service call fee. If we do a repair, or if it turns out that your unit is too expensive to fix and you don't desire to fix it, we will not charge a service call fee. We don't want your money. We want your patronage. We don't want your finances today. We want your continued trust tomorrow, next year, and years to come. Adonai Appliance Repair, we answer to a higher call.